The Impressions 50-gallon Nantucket Rain Saver is an excellent rain collection unit with a modern thick wicker texture that will never fray. The lower brass spigot is located at the front of the barrel and is useful for hoses, while a second is placed at the side for use with buckets and linking. The planer top is self-draining to avoid root rot. The included screen blocks out debris, and the overflow channel diverts water towards the barrel's front to keep foundations dry. The Impressions Nantucket Rain Saver is so feature-rich and good-looking, it will definitely leave an impression.